Poppin' J Nation, welcome back to another 3 a.m. channel. Guys, not because looks like I'm about Mo. What's poppin', Mo?
Welcome back to another banger video. This video's gonna be absolutely insane. You guys already know how it is. We got copyright J Station War.
Wait, thumbnails?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know we haven't been doing that. But guys, tonight, guys, we're gonna be actually, what are we gonna do? Wait, we're gonna be killing Farmer Vincent at 3 in the morning, bro.
But I thought he was invincible, Jay.
Oh, no, guys, we actually resurrected him after we killed him, guys. We resurrected him and he came back to life, guys. And now he wants to kill us, bro. Like, I think we should kill him first.
So guys, we're in the pig pen.
Wait,
We were locked up. Box Frost actually gave me one of his best weapons. This is Box Frost's best weapon, guys. And he used this to fight off Vincent before, and he's gonna use it again. We're gonna use it tonight. We might have to call up Box Frost to kill Vincent, guys, just because Box Frost is an OG. He used to slaughter people. He used to kill people. He's a murderer.
After this video, guys, we're gonna be finally burning his motel, bro. That was requested too, right, Ahmed?
Yeah, bro.
Like, you can do it yourself now, like.
Yeah, bro. Like, this is freaking crazy.
Guys, we have the phone ready. I'm gonna be calling him. I'm gonna be saying him that I know a secret recipe until we make him mad enough and he comes to your house, guys. Without further ado, our second channel got deleted. Hopefully DJ Horror does a video.
Our new channel did get deleted, but don't worry, guys. We're gonna be coming back even stronger, guys. Give us 7 more days. There's gonna be a huge surprise on our channel, guys. Huge surprise.
Okay, guys, and without further ado, guys, let's get it. Okay, guys, let's call Farmer Vincent.
Farmer Faggot?
Farmer Vincent?
Vincent?
Yeah, what do you want, Jay?
Bro, what do you want?
I don't know what you call me.
We know your recipe, and we know that you're a psycho who likes to kill people.
I know who you are. I know what you did.
I saw what you did.
I saw what you did.
Are you gonna come to my house?
Yeah, I want anyone to know my recipe.
Vincent, why?
I'll tell you what you did for the recipe. Human meat!
Oh my god, bro.
He just broke the phone. He just hung up. We gotta set up some traps. What traps should we set up? Alright, guys, I gotta set up some traps. First trap, J Nation, is gonna be the old suitcase trick. There's gonna be meat inside the suitcase, a pig head. And when he goes inside, we're gonna shut the suitcase and you're gonna be lost. The freak, bro. Jesus, you get the pig!
Here it is, guys. It's all scammy, guys.
Jesus' mom! I got it. The pig is inside. Don't worry, guys, it's dead. No animal abuse here. We gotta leave it open, gas station!
What?
We gotta leave it open. He's gonna put it, he's gonna hold the note and it's gonna shut.
Okay, guys, let's just wait for Farmer Vincent to come.
Farmer Vincent, bro. I'm scared. He's already here. That was freaking fast, guys. Even for a faggot, that was fast.
We got distracted over there. Let's go hide in the closet.
No, we gotta start with the fight, man. Hurry up.
I don't give a 5 minutes.
Who cares? Guys, we're gonna hide in the closet. Jay, get in that closet, bro. You're not gonna fight shit. Alright, guys, I might fight Vincent now.
Guys, I'm gonna go hide in the closet, guys.
Yeah, go in the closet, bro. Shut the freaking door. He's gonna hide in the bathroom, actually. Yeah, shut the door. Please, Jay. The door. Come on, Ahmed. Don't worry, bro. It'll be okay. Alright, guys. We're gonna cut back when Vincent is here. Oh, I think he's here. No freaking way.
Like and subscribe also company.
Oh my god. Vincent, there's a pig over there.
Ah,
In that box, retard.
yummy pig. Ow.
You fucking retard.
Yeah, out any pig.
In the fucking thing, you just stepped on it.
I know, like, you gotta, like, does it shut on me?
Whoa, you gotta touch it, you gotta grab it. There it is, Vincent.
Yeah, it's a pig.
Die, bitch.
Ah.
You don't affect me, bro. You're the weakest piece of shit in the world. Vincent's too weak, guys. He's too weak. Now, guys, it changes the spell. It's over there. Oh no, guys, it's too dangerous. Oh my god. He's trying to get on. What? Vincent, don't come near!
Dude, what the fuck?
Oh my god, guys, it's such a joke. Vincent's a whore! There's nothing else I could do. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try to fight him, guys. Ow, guys, our channel just got deleted. It's the end of Vincent 2. Guys, what? Vincent is too strong. What? Oh! My hand! Ah! That killed me. Faggot. I have an idea.
I'm gonna die in the pig mask.
Get out of the screen. Get out of the screen. What? Get out of the screen. It's not a good cut. Get out of the screen. What the hell's going on? The unmasked attack force. Bush rush. Rachel, where are you? Ah! He actually hit me, guys.
We have to fight.
I gotta find a weapon.
Faggot.
Come on, Richard, get out of here! Oh no, what did you do to Alan? Oh! Oh,
Get over there. Get over quickly. Over here. Fall behind. Fall down.
Like and subscribe, also come for. It's always 7 minutes.
Who cares?
It's always. What?
We got to the best fight.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where should we do it? Over there where Madman fought.
I just gotta get out of here. Manny for my cheese! You good? It's what Box Frost was like when he returned. We got this, it's too scary. Holy freaking freakers. I gotta get a weapon, guys. I got chainsaw. Go over there. Go there. What? Who's Arthur? Arthur? Get over there. It's recording. Oh, we're good. Get back away from here.
Things are down. Bitch. What's that? The book.
He's too strong, guys. Manny for my sake.
Keep talking.
What?
Keep talking about my weapon.
I'm gonna kill anyone who doesn't like it. And what?
And subscribe.
I'll subscribe. You got killing me right now.
I'm gonna form an ice cube.
What?
I just formed an ice cube. Let me give it around.
Stab me.
What do we do?
Fuck, you stabbed me.
What?
You stabbed me, man. The face.
Get close.
Over here.
Get close.
Stab me here. And I got killed by a chainsaw.
Sorry, fuck.
Hurry up. Get the camera.
What?
Get the camera and take off the shitty mask.
I think I got him.
My last words now.
Gosh, his last words.
Bitch.
Asshole.
Grab the chainsaw quickly. Ah! Bitch! Retard! You can break it!
Get
Get
it!
it! I'm dead!
Oh.
You can have the channel.
What are you talking about?
The secret channel.
What's What's his name?
Located in Switch.
How many subscribers?
Accounts.
On an alternate account?
My whole life has been accounts. I used.
Sub for sub?
I'm the biggest fan of them all.
Really? Prove it!
I used.
Should we play the motel, guys? 50,000 likes. It's an evil motel.